The successful journey of Barish Bektash. Barish Bektash is a versatile Turkish actor whose journey from theatre to horror films and hit TV dramas is complemented by his musical creativity. With strong acting chops and growing recognition, including award nominations, he continues to build a promising profile in Turkey's entertainment scene. Born on February 12, 1997 in Batman, Turkey, he originally pursued a degree in accounting and auditing at Istanbul Commerce University. Barish is 1.85 meters tall and his weight is 84 kg. Eyes color is hazel brown. However, his passion for the arts led him to the stage where he trained under notable acting coaches like Ayşen İnci and Bülent Emin. He began his career in theatre with plays such as Sinner and Agatlar Aktar, building a solid foundation in performance. His transition to the screen started with a role in the historical film Lascaret 1071, followed by appearances in international and horror films like Aşk-ı Koca, Jaipur and Number 26 Oğlum Cigligi. His breakthrough came with the popular TV series Genç Çocukları, where he portrayed Baran Karabey, earning widespread recognition and award nominations. In parallel with acting, Barish Bektash has nurtured his musical talents, releasing several songs and writing over 40 original tracks. Notably, he and co-star Yakmur Yüksel were nominated for Best TV Couple at the 2023 Turkey Youth Awards Golden Star. In 2024, he received a nomination for Best Actor at the prestigious Golden Butterfly Award for his role in the same series. Additionally, in early 2024, he was honored with titles such as Best Breakthrough Male Actor at award ceremonies, including the Yine En Efsaneleri and Legend Fashion Magazine Awards. Barish Bektash is set to continue making waves in television with at least 2 exciting upcoming projects. Additionally, starting around January 2025, he joined the historical epic Kudüs Fethi Selahattin Eyyubi airing on TRT1, in which he portrays a character named Boru. His transformation, including a dramatic costume and hair change featuring 700 hair extensions, was revealed at the end of episode 40, and the role is already generating buzz. Barish Bektash is happily married. In 2021, he wed Gülüm Bektaş, a beauty salon owner and daughter of TV8 news anchor Salih Ekbaş, in a private ceremony in Ankara. They have maintained a loving and low-profile relationship ever since. As of early 2025, the couple has joyfully announced they are expecting their first child, a baby boy, due in spring. Barish has also dispelled rumors about previous marriages or children, confirming this is both their first marriage and their first baby. He also trained in stage improvisation, horse riding, sword fighting, and camera combat techniques. Barish is eldest of 5 siblings, 2 brothers, 2 sisters. Barish's father's name is Abdul Aziz Bektash and he is a businessman, and Barish's mother is a homemaker. In addition to acting, Barish is deeply involved in music. He writes lyrics, composes melodies, and sings. To date, he has penned approximately 40 songs and released multiple singles such as Oldum and Tutamori and Hapsoltum, showcasing both vocal talent and creative songwriting. He is also known for his athleticism and dedication to personal growth. He regularly practices horseback riding, on-camera fight choreography, and short shows not for just for roles but as part of his ongoing professional development. Estimated net worth of Parish is between $1 to $5 million as of 2025. Today, he stands out as a rising figure in Turkish entertainment, celebrated for both his acting versatility and musical creativity.